Howdy folks, welcome back to Manly Boy Outdoors. I forgot to show you earlier folks, but I'll show you somewhat now, the best that I can here. This whole thing, if you unlatch that, this whole thing will just come right off. Let me walk around here and show you. This whole piece right here is going to come off. This is completely broken. The only thing that is holding this box on here is this thing. This thing's the only thing that's holding that on there. I want to thank you all for watching, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video.